Good morning, children. So let's start with today's class, ethanol, and what is the properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid and their properties. So what is ethanol? Ethanol, its formula, chemical formula is CH3 CH2OH. This the you can see this is the functional group coming under the functional group alcohol. Group is coming functional. So structure, this is the structure of the ethanol. So ethanol as a coolant, as a disinfectant, as a medicines they are used in cough syrup also. It's an alcoholic that is. So it is not a healthy friendly. Medicines that are using, but it's not a healthy friendly. Alcohol effects on the body, dizziness, lack of coordination and depression, central nervous system, sense of judgments get the impaired and slow down the metabolic rate. And ethanol is more dangerous than the ethanol, a small amount also. So ethanol more dangerous. What is that? Methanol is more dangerous than the ethanol. It's the alcoholic effect. What is the effect in the human body? If you are alcoholic effects on the human body, dizziness, lack of coordination, and the depression, slow down the metabolic rate, and depression, central nervous system, and sense of judgments gets impaired, and ethanol is more dangerous than. And here, what are the reaction of ethanol? Let's see. What is the reaction with sodium? The sodium reaction with. So alcohol reacts with the sodium, leading to the evolution of hydrogen. So which gas is evolving? Hydrogen gas is evolving when the reaction with the sodium. And when ethanol, other product is sodium ethoside, sodium ethoside. We can recall with other substance produce the hydrogen on heating the metals. When you learn in the metals and non-metals chapter, hydrogen is evolved during the reaction with the metals. The sodium when they react with the ethanol, which gas is evolving? Hydrogen gas is evolving. What is the byproduct we are getting? Ethanol, sodium ethoside. Next reaction with the unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is the byproduct? Let's see. When the ethanol react with the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Reacts with the hydrocarbon. Heating of ethanol at 443 Kelvin with excess of concentrated sulfuric acid result in the dehydration of ethanol to give the ethane. So what is the temperature here? 443 Kelvin, and the heating the ethanol at the 443 Kelvin with excess of concentrated sulfuric acid. So result in the dehydration of ethanol to give that. So concentration of the sulfuric acid can be regarded as dehydrating agent. Remove the water from ethanol. So this concentration of the sulfuric acid is regarded as the dehydrating agent. Regarded as the dehydrating agents to remove the water from the ethanol. Next, properties of ethanoic acid. What is the properties of ethanoic acid? Ethanoic acid is commonly acetic acid. Is commonly known as acetic acid and belongs to the group of acid carbolic acid. So this is alcoholic group, functional group, and then ethanolic acid is coming under the which functional group? Carbolic acid. So water is called vinegar is used for widely preservative in pickles. We are using in the vinegar also acetic acid only. Commonly not as the acetic acid only, that is it's acetic acid commonly not that. So hence it is freezes during the winter in the cold climates gave rise to the name glacial acetic acid. The melting point of poor ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin. What is the melting point? The melting of poor ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin. Hence it often freezes during the winter in cold climates. This gave rise to the name glacioacetic acid. The group of organic compound called carbonic acid are obviously characteristic by their acidic nature. However, unlike minerals, acidic like HCl, which are completely iodized, and carbonic acid are very weak acids. So, are using. So reaction with ethanoic acid. What are the reaction with ethanoic acid? Let's see. Acidification reaction, reaction with the base, reaction with the carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Let's see what is the acidification reaction. Esters are most commonly formed by the reaction of acid and the alcohol. So reactions of ethanoic acid acidification. Esters are formed when the acid react with the alcohol. When the acid react with the alcohol, what is forming? Esters are forming. Esters are sweet smelling. They are very sweet smelling compound, very sweet smelling compound, and used in the perfumes and flowering agent. They are used in the perfumes and flowering agent. Next, when ester react with the base, it gives the ethanoic acid and ethanol. So when this ethanoic ester reacts with the base, what we can see? It gives the ethanoic acid and ethanol. The above reaction used to production of soap also. It is also called it as soapification of the reaction. Next, reaction with the base. What is the reaction with the base is happening? Reaction with the base, we know when the acid react with the base, it gives the neutralization reaction. We already learned, you are learning from the grade 7 what is the neutralization reaction. When the acid react with the base, we get the byproduct as the salt. Common salt, most given example, daily life, you are using the common salt, sodium chloride, that also. So next, reaction with the carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. When the ethanoic acid react with the carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, it gives the salt, carbon dioxide and water. What are the byproduct? We are getting salt, hydrogen and oxygen we are getting here. So similarly, sodium bicarbonate also, sodium acetate we are getting here. So what are the reactions with the ethanoic acid? Acidification reaction, reaction with the base, reaction with the carbonates, hydrogen carbonates. So what we learned in this, we learned about the properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid. Ethanol is a which functional group is come under the alcohol functional group, but ethanoic acid come under the which functional group? Carboxylic acid. So here the chemical formula, here OX will come in alcohol only, ethanol. So what are the, it is used in the medicine but it's very harmful for them. And next is coming to the reactions of ethanol. What are the reactions of ethanol? Reaction with sodium, reaction to give the unsaturated hydrocarbon, and properties of ethanol from ethanoic acid. We learned it is commonly not the acetic acid. It is in the example vinegar. It is that we are using for vinegar as a preservatives. And next, reaction of ethanoic acid, acidification reaction, and reaction with the base, and reaction with the carbonate and hydrogen carbonates. I hope you are clear. Thank you children. Thank you so much.